Thanks, Jermaine. Portmore United have jumped back into third place in the Ryan and Neville Jamaica Premier League table following their 2-0 win over Arnett Gardens at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday. Portmore started the weekend in third spot but dropped to fourth after Mount Pleasant FA's victory over Dunbeholden on Sunday. However, they were on their way back into the top three when Dunstan Cohen sent them in front 2 minutes into the second half. Cohen was replaced in the 82nd minute and he watched as his replacement Orlando Russell scored 5 minutes into stoppage time to make it 2-0. Portmore United are now on 42 points, the same as Racing United, but trail on goal difference. The two are 7 points behind leaders Montego Bay United.
It's good, it's a tough place to come and play. And they have been getting some momentum lately, so for us to come here and get the 3 points, it was a very big ask, but I think we played well, defended well, and we execute well when we got our chances.
We have ambition of getting back in the top 6, and we know that we can get there, but tonight's game was a difficult one for us, especially going forward. I think we lacked the creativity, and we didn't create much opportunity around the opponent's box, and playing against a team with a good defensive unit such as Portmore, we have to do better creating chances.
The league continues on Thursday with Harbourview hosting Mount Pleasant FA in a rescheduled game at the compound. Harbourview are in the drop zone on 16 points, while Mount Pleasant are fourth on 41.